check out this. They have real sand in the pool area. Very cool. Hey guys, David here, and I'm out front of Mandalay Bay about to go check into my room, but before I do, I want to let you guys know I'm going to try the $20 trick. Slip them $20 when I check in, see if I get an upgrade. Let's go see if it works. So what was the result of our $20 tip at the front? Well, we checked in at 11 and they didn't charge us an early check-in fee. And the lady at the front said she gave me a really nice view of the pool. And since we're in the room now, the first thing I like to do is check out the view. Let's take a look. I'm here on the 19th floor, and first off, I love these floor-to-ceiling windows. It's great. It really amplifies the view that I have, which is right in front of the pool. I can see Allegiant Stadium. I can even see the strip all the way down to the Las Vegas sign and the mountain range on the horizon. I really like this view. Let's go check out the bathroom.
Till the break of dawn, life cannot go by the letter. Time, Prozac can make it better. Noise, any kind will do. Can you feel it slip away when it's all on you? Crime, rockin' like Janet Reno. Time, 18 and life in Chino. Freud.
This bathroom has everything you're gonna need. It's got a double sink with a big mirror. It's got a tub, a standing shower, and a toilet in a separate room. The only thing I will mention is that the tub and the shower are a little on the small side, but nothing to complain about. Overall, a classy bathroom.
Original prankster. Original, Bust out on it. Original prankster. Stop now. That's what the man say. You can do it.
First impressions. As I walked in, everything was clean, tidy, and fresh. And what I first noticed was actually the size of the room. It's a fairly decent size. You've got a desk, a couple chairs, nice big bed behind me, lots of closet space. So overall, not a bad start. But I'll let you guys know what I think at the end of this video, including my favorite part. But for now, let's go check out the rest of the property, starting with the pool. When it comes to the pool at Mandalay Bay, this is, in my opinion, the best pool spot on the strip. If you're coming here with your family, you're definitely going to want to choose this spot because you got the wave pool, you got the lazy river, there's other pools you can just swim in, but I think the feature that really sets this apart is that there's sand on the ground so it feels like you're at the beach. Honestly, this is a really nice spot. When it comes to the location, Mandalay Bay is located on the south part of the strip. In fact, it's the last major resort on the south part of the strip. And it does have its benefits. You're really close to the Las Vegas sign. You can walk there in 10 minutes. There's also a free tram that'll take you all the way to the Excalibur, and then you can walk over to the shops that are on the south part. And overall, the property is really nice, so I don't mind this location. Hey guys, while we're hanging out, if you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go check out the rest of the property. If you're looking for something to do while you're at Mandalay Bay, there's quite a few options. You've got Michael Jackson's One, which is a Cirque du Soleil show. I haven't seen it yet, but I've heard good things and I do want to see it. You got the Shark Reef Aquarium, you've got Swingers Mini Golf, you've got the Bob Marley Hope Experience, and you've got the House of Blues for live music. Something for everyone. The casino floor at Mandalay Bay is pretty big, and that's because the property itself is pretty big. There's lots of slot machines and they're all spread out so it doesn't feel cramped. There's also lots of table games with $10 and $15 minimums. There's a sports book and there is a small poker room. So if you want to do any kind of gambling, Mandalay Bay will have you covered. lot of food options at Mandalay Bay. There's a food court, there's bourbon steak, there's S-Bar, there's Foundation Room, there's House of Blues, just to name a few. But tonight, we're gonna be dining at a place that has one of my favorite dishes, the place right behind me, Noodle Shop. Let's go check it out. Just sat down here at the Noodle Shop, and I had a tough decision to make. They have pho on the menu, but they also have a spicy beef soup, and I wasn't sure which one to get. Ultimately, I opted for the spicy beef soup because I love spicy beef, and I've had it at a few places. It's always been tasty, and I do know that I'm gonna have some pho in the future very soon, so hopefully it's good. Okay, food just arrived, and it looks good. Smells good. Let's see. Let's give it a little taste. Oh yeah. Although I would say not as spicy as I thought it would be. Just finished up at the Noodle Shop, and I gotta be honest with you, I wasn't a big fan of the soup. The initial taste was all right, but as I ate the soup, I felt like it was lacking flavor. I've tried quite a few spicy beef soups on this channel, and that one would be actually at the bottom of the list. Not the greatest, can't recommend it. But that's it for tonight, guys. It's getting late, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Morning, guys. Let me give you my final thoughts here on Mandalay Bay, starting with my favorite part of the hotel, which was the pool. The pool here is top tier, and I have to say, this is the #1 pool spot, in my opinion, for families on the Strip. And I just love the sandy beach. It really does make you feel like you're in a different world. A lot of pool places, it's just like that cement, and it gets really hot, and it's just a different vibe here. Really like the pool area. Let's also talk about the price and what I paid to get in here. I paid $50, and that was just what the price was for the Thursday that I came in here. Taxes and fees, I think it was like $110, $120. So really a really good deal for this resort, I think. No bad complaints about like noise or anything like that. The bed was comfortable. I had a good sleep. At that price point, like, it's honestly a steal. If I had to give this place a rating, I'd give it a 4 stars. It's a lot better than a lot of the places that I've given like 3 or 3.5. Not as nice in like the room aspect as maybe some of the 5-star places, but still a really nice resort. And if you're coming here, I think you will enjoy your stay here. But that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. We should do it again sometime. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.